somebody that thirsty girls are gonna like. We've got Patrick here who makes beautiful wines from Italy in these beautiful packaging. Can you tell us a little bit about this?
Of course, of course. This line is called Perle di Piera. Piera is the name of our owner, so she's a lady. So, you know,
Obviously, he appeals
a very
to ladies.
female impact on the style of our wines. Let's say a very successful line of range of wine because it was introduced in Vinitaly 2010. That is the most important Italian show for wines.
Okay.
And in this case, we have 4 grapes: Ribolla Gialla, Pinot Grigio, Prosecco, and Rosé. Very, let's say, alcohol content not so high. Very refreshing wines, perfect for, let's say, parties, perfect for spring.
Perfect for thirsty girls.
Yeah, for thirsty girls. Absolutely. I think that also the packaging really match with the young people and girls and ladies as well. And so in this case, we have